lies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling in and out. It's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes. Tried to outrun fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build
So, good morning, guys. How's it going? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, Macro Trader. What's up, man? Let me just take a look at this market here. Anything's changed since the morning? Let's do a quick top down. Good morning, brother. What's up, man? Let's lower this music a little bit. Okay, so daily is still bearish here. Nothing changed until we close above this and walk again, and maybe then we can consider looking for higher prices in this M dog as well. This M dog here. I've respected EQ here. Pushing higher. Order flow is bullish today. We have a possible daily PS3 here. Daily open lower. Wait a second, that was yesterday. Never mind. This your previous day high? No. We got engineered buy side here and engineered sell side here. Why that? Because this low is falling. The market is so toxic, this market these days. Yeah, man. The market is crazy, not gonna lie. I've blown that 50k account, but it's okay. I'm gonna kill it together still. So we got this low hanging right of this midnight. What I want to see is this market pumping lower, taking out this low and tapping the RTH gap CE and then getting move higher into Asia higher. This will be ideal here following this bullish order flow from this BSC as well. Order block here. That should send you higher to this high here. But first you need to see this manipulation during the macro and then we can get this clean trade. So we can read already an A plus setup at 950 macro. Let's hope we get this setup. It's a very nice setup. I really like it. Check it. We got no SMT on the highs, which is a very nice confidence for us to start going higher again. I really like this trade higher. Just gotta wait here, gotta be patient. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm trying to show my MetaTrader here. There you go, guys. You see my open position here in the middle now. Just edited it, and I hope it's nice. It looks very nice, but let's see if we can get it a little bit to the right. There we go. There we go. Okay. Market is moving. No worries here, we're not scared. You gotta feel this CE here of this gap. And you got these lows as well. Oh my god. Today is a difficult day. But let's see. So that's the scenario we're looking for. Why I'm looking at this as an engineer buy side? Because it's falling short of this Asia high. So in my eyes, this is bias footprints here, leaving footprints behind. Same thing as this low. I don't know why it does. Okay, there we go. We have left this high right below Asia high, right below Endog, right below previous day high, which is a great and a very strong drone liquidity. That's our target for longs, and for shorts we want to see this low manipulated because it's falling short of midnight fair value gap and the RTH CE of this RTH gap CE and this quadrant as well here of today's RTH gap. So we just gotta wait here. How have you been, Mohammed, man? Just blown his account. Oh my god. Yeah, just conditions are turbo, man. I was just messaging Tim about that as well. I blew my account as well, but I have this 5k funded still. But my 50k challenge, I blew it. It was my mistake, to be honest. It wasn't my model. And yeah, it's pretty tough, bro. But we bounce back for sure, man. You know, we're bounce back 100%, bro. There we go. Tim just sent the message. Pain. Sorry. Get up and remember who you are. Skill set. Number one is a skill set. Is following rules, being bored, and being able to sit with an inevitable red day. So. We will get back up, man. Inshallah. Inshallah, bro. Marco is pumping to our poi side here that we mentioned. Now let's get this PS3 closer. I don't know where's the PS3. Yeah, here we go. PS3. Now we'll be looking for this lot to be traded too, but we want to see order flow online here. I'll be taking a short here. Because this 10am opened high, macro sent us higher. We have sweep the engineer buy side. Possibly tap this end dog and sweep previous day high. Then form a trade. Main 30 fair value gap here. Flip. We got SMT already with Asia high here. But I will not be trading here if they make this high, because if they leave this high like it is, because it's falling short of end dog here. So I wouldn't be risking that. I would be waiting for these highs to get taken as well. Just gotta follow rules, be disciplined every day. Edge high here swept. Let's do it manually here, maybe. No. This high has to go here. This high is not safe, guys, for in shorts. Still engineered by side. If the ordered flow shifts, we'll be taking shorts. If not, we'll be taking continuation loans once more towards this end. Look. Let's wait. Order flow is very bearish here. 4-hour close below the SEBI, failed to inverse. We got this 15-minute here, rejecting this high. Because SMT was Asia high. 3-minute order block here. But still, you can't short because this high is falling short of this end hook. You can't, guys. Don't even try to. This is not a safe short here. I'll be taking a long only here. We could also tape read the long. Even if we don't like it. Let me change this music. But taking a short is very risky, guys. This one here is a great long. No trade. If we want to take a long, we wait for this closure, but there's no kind of closure, so we can't take a long here. No inversion yet. Then I'm open retest here. Market is pumping right after that. Look at this here. Let's see if we can get an entry. 9, 8, 6. Right, guys, I'm in the trade here. Okay, guys, we got in longs here, targeting our 1-to-1, targeting previous day high and this end hook, and this high falling short of this end hook. Just got in longs here, targeting this high, right below this end hook, and previous day high. Let's see how it plays out. Go, market's pumping. We're targeting previous day high here, which is our 1-to-1. I'll go break even once we close above this end hook here. We're not break even yet. I'm going break even once we close above this end hook, guys. We're not break even yet. It's a very nice trade. Nice read, and I'm holding it till we get this 1-to-1 or we close above this end hook here. Okay, now guys, I'm moving my stop loss to break even here, just because we have closed above this end log, which is very nice. Now we're securing this position and moving our stops to break even. Shouldn't see price coming back lower again, since we're already short of previous day high as well. Should see continuation higher. If we see pullback lower, that's a red flag there and should get stopped out at break even. We're still holding a break even here. Not stopped out yet. Okay, I'm taking out a break even here. So it's the first trade of the day. We're break even. I still think the trade will go higher, but I'm following my system here, and it's a very nice trade. I'm proud of myself for being disciplined and executing this trade. Let's see how it plays out at the end, but we got stopped at break even here. I'm out of this trade. Let's take a screenshot. Okay, I'm just taking a screenshot of my execution as well. Yeah, market is very manipulated now, and I wouldn't be risking anything. I'll just be following my system. Closing above this end dog here, there should be no reasons for price to come back all the way lower here. So what I did is, once we closed above here, I removed the risk, I set it to break even, and yeah. But I know the price will continue higher because this high is just short of previous day high, but it could continue higher now, it could continue higher here, so I'm not risking it. I'm gonna wait and be disciplined, follow my system. But it's scary, man. What did they just do to us? Very nice trade here. Let me journal that as well. I'll get the data out of it at least. Even if it's a win after we got stopped at break even. That's very good for us for reading price correctly, avoiding a loss earlier this short. If we would have taken this short, not understanding liquidity here, this would have been a very easy loss. So we should be proud that we avoided this loss here. Should be happy, and should see think on the positive side here. What can we get out of from this trade? And I believe it's data here. So let me journal this trade quickly with you guys. Since I do everything with you here, I'll just journal it quick. Okay, break even trade, then win. Okay, I need to journal the data. It's an A+ setup on March 4. Today is Wednesday. 2 red folders, I believe. Newsday. Yes. Direction long. There we go. The trade just hit TP. Entry PD array. Macro inversion. Stop loss type is a swing high or low stop loss. This trade is. Let me journal it here actually with you guys. If you want to see how I journal, we can actually do it together. So this trade here is. Let me get the trade on the other screen then. Our time frame direction was bullish. Key reference point was 930 reclaimed. 930 reclaimed. It was a continuation trade. Total error, no, there. 0.0000 break even. We took this trade. When was the SMR? It was at 10:04. SMT was ES, 1 minute macro SMT. Macro SMT. Drone liquidity here was previous day high and engineer buy side. What was engineer buy side? High. Low. And yeah. Manipulation liquidity. Turn on. Liquidity and discount. Opened at. We opened this trade at 10:07. We got stopped at 10:14. Duration to 7 minutes. And we got 0 captured. If loss missed was a reason. Let's say. Okay. What made me wait for this trade? Yeah. Typing all of the confluences which made me take this trade. How I felt when I took this trade, I was confident and I was disciplined as well. I don't know, I think I wrote it wrong, but whatever. This account was on, let's just say master for now. How many points? Okay, how many drawdown points? Well, give 10 points of drawdown. I guess it gives you, no, 10 points, yeah. 6.50, 6.50. What's the percentage of total drawdown? Let's calculate this on the calculator. Put 10.75 divided by 6.75 times 100, and that gives us 16.16%. Okay, time until 10 points take profit. I think this 1 minute. Time until 50 points take profit. That was 6 minutes. Total intraday range. On the intraday range, so it's here 250, and we got this checked here, everything checked, because it ran much higher now. Gave 125 pips, 125. That's given 1 RR, 2 RR, 3. It's going for 3 RR now. But let's get the screenshots for the trade. So that's how I journal basically, and then I can go forward and collect the data from these trades. Just trying to show you what I do. to improve and to get better. This trade here, there's nothing to work on here, to be honest, but I'll just save it as data for my statistics. But I did the best I can do here. I don't think there was anything else to do better. In that case, getting stopped out of break-even, we can't really avoid this, guys. It will happen some days. That's okay. Let's clean this up for the screenshot as well. We're running hard here. Very nice. Journaling this trade. Almost done. Okay. Let's go back. I like it. I really like this trade, and I would take it 10 out of 10 times here. Getting stopped at break-even, I'll still do that same thing 10 out of 10 times. Let's get the music back on. Nothing wrong here with getting stopped at break-even. Okay. Okay. Trade has run up so much to how many points? 146.75 so far. Okay. Just want to keep editing this. If it hits 1 to 3 or just my max TP. I'll journal this as well. Very nice position there. Charge my phone here. What trade, man? Still very proud of myself here. Just play a game of chess here. Those dumb boys. Okay. Mm. Why can't I castle, man? So I will be giving up my queen? Oh man, that will never happen. Okay, look, he just castled. I don't know why I can't castle. I think I do something wrong there. Okay. That's a free pawn. We'll take that. Did the trade hit 1 to 3 yet? Not yet. It's okay. I'll take this as well. Oh, I think we're in trouble here. Like, if I eat here, it's gonna eat there. No, I can't eat. It's gonna eat there. What did I just do, man? So yeah, that was a trouble move. Look, I can't castle, I don't know why. This is weird. Let's go queen for queen, man. It's I want him to eat, and then I'll eat, and we'll just give away our queens. So I think he will. Go here, eat here. What can I do here in this situation? So what we're gonna do is move here, and then we will ask for his rook, okay? and I'll try to get my pawn moved up, or if he eats it, I'll move my bishop here. Okay, let's go. This seems like the best plan. Asking for his rook here. I think he will just give it to me. But I want to protect my queen when I eat, so we want this piece to get to be here. How can I get it there? Go there. Oh, they'll block it. Okay. I got a very nice idea. He will check. He will move. Okay. He'll move here. And then I will eat. And let's checkmate. We won the game. Look at this, guys. Oh, we didn't? Yeah, because... Oh my god, he got his queen. Forgot this. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We can still try to win. Okay. I calculated this very quick. Gotta find a solution here. I'm also impulsive in chess. Yeah. What could be the solution here? Just want to push my pawns here. Let's go for it. It's okay. You move. Then I'll eat. And then I'll eat. Then I'll eat. 3 pawn there. Okay, it's asking for my bishop. We gotta play it safe. Let's see if he falls for the trap. He eats, I eat. If he doesn't eat, the only solution for this trap is moving your pawn here, so I can't really reach the queen. Okay, he's trying to play dirt here. Still we got plan. Free queen. Let's go checkmate. He has to move here. Okay. We got potential now to win this game, guys. I can't really believe that. Let's see. We need to get this rook working. Okay. Why can't we switch it? So, okay. What the hell, I can't hit here. Don't get it. Just got free pawn here. I mean, I did the terrible mistake by sacrificing my queen this game. For paying the price for. He's doing anything to protect this pawn. Oh my god, this guy's crazy. Okay. I will not still attack it because he got to be there. He'll make me lose my pawn. What? Oh my god, it's actually... Damn, I did a very stupid move there. This game's terrible. It's one of my worst games so far. I'll try to ask for this time. I can attack here, potentially. What if I eat this? It's okay. I think I lost the game here. I did. Let's just play for fun. I lost the game already. Just wasting time till next macro. Yeah. Check. Okay, let's play again. Playing against this guy. I know I'm gonna win this time. It was just a problem I made. I'm stronger than this opponent here. Pretty much stronger. Asking from the opponent. Do this quick move here. Thinking 6 moves ahead now. He will have to move his king here or eat here. If he eats, I eat. It's okay. Nice. Nice. I think it was a terrible calculation, but I'm very proud that I did this calculation. Okay, there we go. Finally, king castle. Now he can't move his horse. I'm gonna play traps here, but this is trapped. I've got a macro in 3 minutes here. What is he asking for? A queen? Okay, I'll finish. What did he eat? Did I just lose a horse? Damn. Started thinking about the macro and I'm starting to lose. Let me finish this journal quickly. I'm gonna play reversal here, guys. But I want to see this 15-minute flip. Because order flow is still bullish here technically. Respecting these open pieces here. But we're already above previous day high. And we got this hourly SMT or daily SMT. Okay, guys. And yeah. But the only, I want to play the reversal here as well, not because of the liquidity swept only, but because of this low. We got a very strong engineered sell side low here, right above midnight fair value gap. You also got this open RTH gap right here. So I'm looking for shorts here during this macro. I don't see, look, they just made an engineered low as well here. That's what we're really looking for. This low is right above this end dog. Be looking for a short here, guys. I'll wait for EQ and that's it. Let me just finish this chess thing quick. Yes, sir, 10:50. I'm gonna close this chess game for now. We'll play later. It's no big deal. We're looking for this short here. But I want to see this order flow shift as well. 3-minute inversion here. Very nice, but we got very strong continuation causes lower, which is this low right of this end dog, and this low which is above this midnight fair value gap. So I'm really positive on shorts, but I want to see a nice reaction from EQ here. This will give me more confidence as well in this trade, because of the order flow currently it has been bullish. So just wait and see. Was I wrong about this? I could be wrong here. This could be the dealing range at this point, the refined dealing range. I'll be waiting for this one here, since this high is too close as well. So we'll just wait for this one. This high we have the SMT on it as well, which makes it very nice. Here we go, EQ has been tabbed. Stopped out shorts here, early shorts. Engineer buy side swept here. Let's see if we get an SMT here. No SMT yet. You got this macro inversion here. Let's open lights here. Confident about this trade. let's lower this quality for now. It's time to focus here. Okay. Okay guys, once we close below this inversion here, I'll be taking a short, putting my stop loss above this high, targeting our 1-to-1 here from the candle closure. We're targeting this low, which is engineered short of this end dog, and we're targeting for the target low here, this low, and EQ of this move should be below this end dog right there. That's also a possible target if you want to hold runners, but for now what I'll be doing is I'll be looking for an exit at 1-to-1. Three-minute VIB is still holding here. You go on SMT now. This high. And go another inversion right there. Macros open, delivering higher. We got SMT on the daily highs, and we got a potential engineered sell side liquidity here. Makes sense here to take a short. Right now, I believe these are relative equal highs. They have to go. And yeah, this highs has to go. They're gone. 1 minute SMT here, most likely. Nope. Order flow has been really bullish. That's the one thing that's pushing me off from this trade, and are still showing bullish order flow signatures here. Disrespecting PD arrays, bullish PD array, bearish PD arrays, and respecting bullish PD arrays, which is still. Oh god, let me get a short here. I can't actually short this market now. Shorting it would be against our rules here, because you have, look at the 5 minute here, you have an inversion, fresh inversion here. This just got inversed. Let's delete this dealing range for now. 3 minute, you got inversions. It's 2 minute as well. 15 minutes you're expecting it busy after closure. Sorry. So overall it's a very tough read for shorts. You don't want to get shorts here, especially with this hourly closure as well. Look at this, guys. Very strong hourly closure here. 4 hour has just been pushing higher. We're into deep premium, but of this range, weekly range so far. But don't forget we got these highs engineered up here, which could be the next draw after sweeping all of this sell side. So we could be wrong here on intraday, and we don't want to force our positions. We see good potential targets higher, which the market could be heading towards, and I don't want to be against that. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm not gonna take any shorts unless we get very strong SMT, which in that case we already have, but I think we're gonna invalidate this hourly SMT as well. There we go. And it's just not convincing for me to take a short. It's not just convincing, it's against my model here, because I don't see any signs of order flow shifting. It's all on the 1 minute only, and that's against my rules. Reversal trades have very low win rate percentage, and even so this hourly has opened higher doesn't mean that it will flip and go lower. It can still respect it and push higher again towards this level here. So for this reason I'll just be calling it a day, guys, and I will not be risking any trades here. I will not be taking any crazy positions. I don't see a reason for price continuing higher on the short term. I don't see a strong engineered sell side, okay, and I don't see order flow shifting for price to take a short. So I will be looking for price at 1150 macro to take a possible short, but for now I don't think there's any possible trades here. I've been a very nice long if we took this and then longed here, or if we pushed higher, took a short here towards this low, because this low has to go either ways. I'm sure of that, but we're not going to risk it here, guys. We got better trades to find, and there will be better trades to find when the order flow is in our direction and we got a strong continuation code. So longs and shorts both are invalid for me this macro. Even if they win, even if they give winning setups, I don't really care. I've done my part here, my analysis, and none of them will follow my model in the future. Like chess, we're calling fake moves. We're calling moves that is losing in the future, but in trading I'm actually calling good moves here in the future. And yeah, man, that's it. I will go eat now. Ramadan Mubarak. Happy iftar everyone that is fasting, and I'll not be engaging this macro. We'll engage 1150. I don't see any reason for you to engage this macro as well. You shouldn't be doing that. Yes, there's a potential short, but at the same time it's a very risky short. You don't want to be doing that to yourself when the order flow is against you this way and you're trying to short. But I'm just taking a second look to make sure I didn't just put you off, guys. Yeah, man, I'm not gonna short this. Very, very risky. To my exchange state is very 4 or 5 minutes. Yeah. It's very, very risky. I like the closures end of here, just what's making me look here on the hourly. We close below the CE. That's what's making me take a second look for a reversal trade, but no, man. That won't be it for me today, guys. Just gonna call it a day. I think once they take this low, you can form a long here towards this relative equal highs once more. This short is very tempting to take, I'm not gonna lie. But this 3-minute inversion is right there below. You can't really take it, man. I can't. It could play out, but I'll just stay out of it. I don't know. I think I'm correct for doing this here. Yeah. Daily order flow is bearish, but this order flow on intraday is what I follow. It's very bullish here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna head off here before I take any dump trades. I'm done for this macro, and I'm gonna show up next macro. I'll try to get on a second stream for you guys. I might actually leave this stream running. I don't really care, but I don't know about you guys. I can go eat and come back. It will be a 20-minute break. I'll actually do that. Maybe that's better. So we don't have to end the stream every time. So let's turn off this light and back in 20 minutes. We will trade 11:59. Okay. Just keep this here. And yeah. That's it, guys. See you after iftar. What's up? Yo, we're back. So this was a winner, apparently. Give you a 1-to-1 here. Did it? Yeah. This was a winning trade, but 1150 macro, man. You can see 1150 macro is very promising here. They got this lows now, short of these lows, short of endog. Let's kill it, guys. We got possible win incoming today. Turn off my indicator there. Look for an SMT. Send us lower. I'll play a quick game of chess here, so I don't concentrate. New game. Give me a 5-minute game. I really want the coffee now. Oh. No, that would be really stupid for me. Just ask for his. Potentially protect. I'm moving this here. Okay, so this pawn is very bad here because he just locked his movement there. Could have opened plays here, but that's a very bad move. We need to use advantage of this. I'll ask for his knight. Oh. Yeah, he had to move his knight now. That's very, very nice. Now let's think ahead. So I'm asking for this knight. Okay. This here's checkmate. I didn't play this move here because he could potentially lock me there. So what I want to do is trying something very risky here. And leave his knight there. Slug there anyways. Oh, very nice idea here. I'll move this pawn. He won't be able to eat. I'm gonna push a rook here. Push a rook here and then there. Push this pawn. Play this. I'll let him eat. And then I will eat. He won't be able to eat. Checkmate. I think we can win the game here. Let's. Oh no. This move now cancelled everything I just thought about. I think next macro has the potential of being a spooling macro as well. Should be very nice. Let's wait and see. See, what he's doing there is very, very cheeky there. But I don't really care. Have to push our pieces here. I want to open a room for this rook to be here. Sacrificing material because they got their material lead. I don't want to sacrifice mine. It's okay. I don't know what we should do here, to be honest. It's a very tough matchup. Because if we start pushing, he will eat. He will eat. He will eat. He will eat. We're fighting at this square right there, but he has much more forces. So if I push, if I push, he eats, then I eat, then he eats, then I eat, then he eats. Oh no, it's a losing game for me. He got 2 more moves than me there, so it's a losing game if I push there. Push there, I look my queen as well. Need to think of a move there. Can I eat that? Yeah, no. Can't really eat anything anymore. If I eat, he will eat there. There's no move for me to play here. Now he's asking for my queen. I think she's logged here. Let's escape with the queen for now. We opened room for this row. Market is pumping higher once more. Still have this SMT on the highs. ZS right there. Okay, still got a minute SMT as well. With AM high. There we got this SMT here as well, which is very nice. Now we got the double SMT, we can possibly play a reversal. We get this setup here. If you get this inversion during the macro, I'll be entering the trade. Targeting lower, targeting this relatively low sell side above this end-dog. Let's see the order flow is confirming this trade now. Yeah, we'll get this 3-minute inversion by then. It'll be perfect. 2 minutes as well. Yeah, I really like this short idea. Okay. Now he's asking for my rook. I will push it. Upper probability inversion there. Let's see, get it. This will be our trade, guys. Should we put on light now? Just put on light now. White. I think white is not very bad. I mean, yellow looks more professional. Because my background light is... I wish this background light was yellow. Okay, so it looks very nice. We got a minute left on this macro. Let's finish this match quick and then we will quit. Okay, what did he play? Played this move. Okay, pushing forward. Put into a trade line. Potential of being a spooling macro, as I've explained. Come on. Okay. Okay, turn on. Perfect. We got potential of a spooling macro. SMT pre-macro. Liquidity sweep pre-macro. I've reached our key reference point, which is this high and this day hourly SIPI here in premium. What we want to see is this inversion along with this 3-minute, 2-minute inversion. So it will give us very strong confirmations of market pushing lower. Got a minute here. Very nice. I'm about to take a trade here, guys. Just get ready there. We'll wait for a closure below this macro inversion. Let's swing on my chart. Let's double check. Yes, no relative equal highs. Yeah, no relative equal highs. Nothing. So this is a potential spooling macro here. Let's go for it, man. I really like it. We got a super clear row. Okay. We got order flow supporting the idea, and we are in premium as well. Yeah. Very nice trade. Put in this. Okay, 5, 5, 5. Let's see where we at here. Okay, listen close. No inversion, no entry here. Still waiting. Market has pumped up higher. Relative equal highs there. Eyes are swept once more here. You got another SMT there. I'll still wait for this inversion to short. This is your change in state here. Should enter from here, not from there. Once we get a closure here, this is your order block as well. Post of the time frames. This will be a very nice short. There we go. About to get a trade here, guys. Taking this reversal trade from ICT. No entry yet. No, not in this trade yet. We need a closure, those inversion. Or not in the trade as well. We didn't close below this inversion yet. It's taking too long, but we're saving ourselves and we're being disciplined here. Nothing to worry about. Here we are. I'm getting ready to short here. Alright. Alright guys, we just took this short trade here. Targeting our 1-to-1. Targeting lower sell side relative equal lows. And we have this triple SMT on the highs during 1150 macro. It's a clean reversal trade. We're going for this 1-to-1 over here. Okay. Right, guys, we just took shorts here. I'm re-recording this. Right, guys, we just took shorts here from this inversion. We have triple SMT on the top here for a reversal trade, targeting relative equal lows down here. Okay, I'm stuttering. I don't know why. But here we are. Don't care about this recording. Stuttered a lot. Should we try to re-record this? Okay. I'll try to clip it last time. Let's see. Okay, guys, here we are. We're in a short trade. We got this triple SMT on the top, and we're targeting this relative equal lows down here. This macro should spool lower after we created this macro inversion. It's a very clean trade. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, that seems like a nice clip. I just need to get these clips going. Just because I don't have any viewers at the moment, and the only way we'll get viewers is by clips. Okay, let's see right now. Okay, just bumping our. Just got stopped out of my trade here. My CFD charts. That was a very nice trade as well. I really like this trade. It's just a reversal trade, which had less probability of playing out, and I accepted this. So it was a very nice trade. We did the best we can do here. I'll be paying attention now to this 12 open. We still got a few minutes left. Potentially we could frame another trade, probably get a re-entry and get another trade in here. But let's see if we do. Just put this as a high probability version. And this here. because we got SMT here now. Got steel pump higher. A pump lower from this inversion. Oh, we got 15 points. Yep. This will be the last trade of the day. I'll take an entry here if we get this possible inversion. This will be the last trade of the day for me. No inversion yet. Okay guys, we're about to get a re-entry here in this trade. Getting ready for this one here. We're not in the trade yet. But I like this idea of re-entry towards these levels. Got a very clear engineer's outside down there. Problem is order flow is also against it, and we didn't get this change in state when we shortened. But we had it here. Okay. I need to run with that. Okay. I'm about to get an entry. Okay, no entry. It's just messing around. One small order flow is bullish. It's okay. We can wait here. Yeah, macro is consolidating here, which isn't ideal. This macro is open here. Okay. Never mind. This is so ugly here. There's no trade to be taken here. Early shorts, man. Okay, guys. Here we go. We got this inversion coming in. 8 seconds. I'm shorting this inversion towards the relative lows, but I'll be taking it out at a 1-to-1. I'm in the short here, guys. And that's a 1-to-1. It's a little bit lower. Let me see these. It's okay. 19. Just trade of the day here. We're going to break even below this low. And we should be out at 1-to-1 button. See if these. My TP is right below this low. Just because of the contract. And it's close to 1-to-1. We're short here. She's pushing lower. Going in Q. To respect this inversion. There. I know it's all the way up here, but I don't want to make a messy chart, so I'll just keep it down there. Let's see if we get this lower. To be a loss win today. If we get this win, I'm break even as well. There we go. There we go. Go. Should trail stops above this high once this low is taken here. There we go. Not trailing yet. Relative equal lows there. Let's put on some music. Oh my bad. My bad. I hope we don't get flagged this stream. Oh my god. There was copyright music playing. Damn. Okay. I wasn't aware of my YouTube while I was eating. I left it playing music. There we go. Market is pushing lower. Now it's back up. Putting my stop here to the side. Wait, it didn't take the low. Okay, it should take the low, and after it takes the low, we'll try. Okay, keeping the trail stop now. I've taken the low. I'm going break even here below this version, and I'm holding till this low here, a little bit more than 1 to 1 here, just to cover costs and commissions. Because CFDs charts are ugly, man. 1 to 1 is hit, Nice. Should be closing the trade, guys. If you're on futures, if I was on my futures account, I would be closing my trade here. I didn't get my 1-to-1 yet on CTs, I believe. Yeah, not yet. That's why I'm still holding it. Oh, it's a nice winning trade there. That's our stop, by the way. That's where we trailed our stop. Keeping it right there. You got SMT in the lows. That's our stop loss here. Okay, we got stopped out here for a quarter of an hour loss. It's no big deal. But this trade is a winner overall, just because of my messy CFDs, man. Okay, I'm gonna close my charts here. I'm joining this trade quickly with you guys as well. And yeah. Good. This was an 1150 win. Generally get as a win in my dataset, but I will journal internal as a loss. Just because it was a winning trade for the system, but it was a loss based on CFDs, which is not the best way to trade. Usually trade with futures, but I've lost my account, as you know. It's all good, it's no big deal. Up here-ish, curvy, half day, trade, reversal, WR. Oh, we want to journal to loss as well. Okay. One. Level 5. SMT, yes. Okay. Micro SMT. They're on liquidity. Journaling this trade here. We got 8 points of drawdown for a stop loss of 18. That is 60% drawdown. 40% I believe. Let's see. 1800. Yeah, 44% of drawdown. How much time it took to give you 10 points? It was. Oh, that was 7 minutes. 6 minutes. How many points? Did it give 50 points? Didn't, right? No. So it only gave 30 so far. Total intraday range. How big was this range, guys? It's like it's around 148. Okay, we got 1 to 1 RR, we got 2 RR in the game, I believe. Did we get a 2 RR pulled here? I think we did. Very nice trade, very clean. Yep, 2 RR here. I think we'll give you 3 as well. Lower. Just gonna join this, hit 2 RR. Okay, how many points it have hit to 442? Okay, very proud of this trade, man. Super easy trade. What's my cross up to? It's outside here. We'll have to journal the loss as well. We'll edit. Let's just journal this quickly. It's a triple SMT on top here. 4 hour premium. Projecting analog and daily in the suspension. Perfect. Let's see if we hit 1 to 3 here for the data sake. Which I think we will. Okay, let me take a copy of this one. And I'll paste it. This one here. 1150 loss. Okay. This was B-Boss trade. The loss we took. As a short macro inversion. See how I know how to reverse it. Total RR. Let's delete this potential. What was the potential order? 0.5. 25. -1. Loss trade. 2 minute bidding inverse. Bid low. State of delivery. How did I feel taking this loss? When I was taking this trade, I was a bit impulsive. Couldn't wait for the 2 minute to give me the order book. Order flow. So far I've been doing great journaling trades. I think in one day I can actually make too much progress. So 12:05 this one, we got stopped out, we got it in 5 minutes. Paper amount capture, we didn't capture any paper amounts. What was the stop loss amount? 25. 25. How many points did they give you? Give you 10. 13. Yeah. It's 13.7, 5 points. So it didn't even give you 15 points, which is important to journal. And we'll go this in 1 minute. Percentage of total risk. Okay. We got post journal now, the loss and the win, which is great. Very proud of this. Proud of myself here for journaling post trade and being able to call price live here, guys. We didn't get this 1 to 3 once more. Need to journal this. Potential. What is that? 2.8. 25. 2. 5. Total R. 1. Yeah. Didn't give you the 1 to 3. Give you a 1 to 2 in reverse. That's what I did. Okay. And total points it gave was 51 points. 51.25. That's it. Okay, so we got 50 points. How much did it take us to get these 50 points? 70 minutes. 70 minutes. Okay. I wanted to journal something else the other day. Let's find it together, guys. I'm happy being here with you guys. To be honest, I don't know. I don't want to close the stream at all. Just want to be with you guys. That's where we grow. That's where we learn, man. Looking for this thing I wanted to journal as well. I saw it on Tom Trade's Instagram the other day. That's where I'm looking for it. Hopefully we can find it together, guys. And I'll add this to my journal checklist. What was it? I'm trying to remember. Yeah, this one.
The dangerous phase in trading is the break-even phase. It's probably where you've had some.
No, that's not this video. Come on, Tom. Yeah, this one.
6 months.
Yep, I know what I'm gonna journal here. How many times it goes and draw down and then flips. Yeah, I wanted to add a property to my journal. There we go, guys. So let's do that together, man. So what we wanted to add to my checklist here. Oh, okay, that's all of my mistakes. There we go. Okay, I don't know what's happening. This thing is super laggy. Too much data is lagging my PC here. Let's close this one now. Okay, we just journaled this win here. Wanted to add a property here for how should it be? Should be a check, goes in drawdown and then profit. Yeah, so I'll make a checkbox. Okay, ED and then TP. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here, drawdowns and take profit. There you go. We got the drawdown percentage. Okay, we got it here. We got the drawdowns and take profit. This is very important here. I need to work on this journal this week. And why is this very important here? Just because this will give you the ability to be able to add positions. So for example here, we went to drawdown, then take profit. Went drawdown, then take profit if it didn't. You know what I mean? So we'll be able to add or scale in with further positions, adding more to our position. That would be very, very nice. And I'm very happy for this. So yeah. Thank God I remember this with you guys. I was about to forget it. Thank you so much for showing up, guys. It's been a great day so far. It's been a great week. I've lost my account, but I'm still very confident that we will make it in trading. Of course, it's not an option. And yeah, it's been a very tough week. But it's been a very blessing as well. I've battled a lot of battles and made tons of mistakes. We're still pushing through, man. I got some trades to add to the journals, missing a trade yesterday, missing a trade the day before. I was lacking, to be honest, guys. I wasn't able to journal trades. Mentally, I wasn't very good. I think that's why I lost the account as well, but I didn't want to say that because I want to make excuses for myself. But I think that's why I lost the account mainly. It was just because I was just mentally not there, mentally not ready. So yeah, maybe God is protecting me from what could have been worse. I'll make it with this 5k account. Maybe we'll make some profits and then we'll withdraw it, buy 50k gain, and get this cycle going. It's been a great day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in another one. Peace out.